Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another exciting video on IT and Automation Academy. Today we are going to talk about job hunting, especially by using LinkedIn. There are countless people applying jobs every day, and how you can make yourself unique in front of a recruiter, in front of a company. That is no more a straightforward way. Applying through the online portal is a very hard thing I ever experienced in my life. You have to complete a whole form on the website and it covers a lot of sections. And it's not very easy that you apply and you're not still guaranteed that you're gonna get a job. Now the biggest platform available is a LinkedIn. There are a lot of people applying jobs every day, but they are still very less success cases. And the reason because they are not following the mechanism that they have to get a job, because it's not very straightforward. In this video, I'm gonna explain you a few tips and tricks that can help you to hunt a job. First of all, the very important thing, most of the people don't have their privacy settings properly checked on. If you go to the setting in the privacy, there is an option let recruiter know you are open to the opportunity. This is very much important thing, because otherwise recruiter will not be able to search you properly. So you have to make sure that you have to turn it on. Go to let a recruiter know you're open to the opportunity and turn it on. By this way, you will be more searchable on LinkedIn algo, and whenever recruiter is gonna search for suitable candidates, your profile will appear on the top. Then you have to update your career interest also. There is a section where you can update your career interest, like which positions you are looking for. There is a question that you will get in the career interest that's about where are you in your search. Are you looking actively for the job? So you have to make sure that you have to select that actively applying. You have to put on your location, because that will help recruiters that you are available in the region. Whether you're looking for the full-time contract or part-time positions, then you have to select whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, contract positions. Another very important tip that can help you to hunt a job is to add keywords in your profile. So if you're gonna add the keywords in your profile, so when recruiter is gonna search some specific positions, every job profile have a key skills required, right? If you open up any job post, you will see key skill required. So remember, when recruiter is searching for specific skill, so if you have that skill highlighted on your profile, that makes your chances considerably very high as compared to other candidates. So make sure whatever the skills you have properly captured on your profile. There are some posts that recruiters are actually posting on their profile. I noticed there are a lot of people who are just going to the comment section and just commenting that I'm interested. That is not a way. So remember to check the whole description of that, and you might find an email address. Do one thing, take that and send him email and put a reference of LinkedIn that you are the connection to that person, and you got information from the post that there are some relative positions that you are interested, and you can send them email. And this is really a way to find out a job, not to just write I'm interested. Okay, so make sure that don't be that much lazy just to write an I'm interested. If you're just gonna write I'm interested, so it's not gonna make any sense to the recruiter, because like you, I'm interested, there are a lot of other people. Join relevant groups and contribute. I'm telling you, this is one of the things that I did myself, and that helps you. If you're contributing to some group, for example, in control system, there are a lot of groups, some articles, contribute to the posts that are already posted by someone, and the best way, make some video tutorials, post it on some groups, and by that way you are actually signaling everyone that your profile is not a just text, You are actually experienced person, you know everything. So that is one of the way I use myself. I recommend you highly to use that also. Write an articles, post videos, contribute on the people discussion. That will help you. Get recommendation. This is very important. Like wherever you are actually working on, try to get a recommendation from there. Get a recommendation from your teachers. Get a recommendation from the people of the company you previously worked on. So another way that's really important is to get an endorsement. And this is not a straightforward way. You don't need to bag it. You need to actually buy it. That takes us to the previous tip, that you have to contribute on LinkedIn. If you are gonna contribute on LinkedIn, you will definitely get endorsements. And very important thing, follow your dream companies. Why we need to that? And also contribute on their discussions. And if you're gonna follow that companies, whenever there will be a post, there will be a job post on their companies, you will be definitely notified, and by that way you can easily apply on that specific job. And there is very important thing nowadays, when you apply for specific job, then you can also ask from your connections that somebody, if you have somebody from the same company where you are applying on your connection, the best way is to ask for recommendation from that person. Ask for the referral from that person. That will increase your chances. Remember, for that you have to contribute. You have to talk to different people, make a relationship first. Don't ask for the job on the first, like I'm seeing that a lot of people are messaging me on very first messages they are sending, like they are looking for the job in Dubai. Can I help them? And that doesn't sound really good, because first you have to make a relationship. When you have things tied up, the person knows you, then it's the right time to ask for the job. So this is another tip. And don't forget to update your contact information. This is really vital, because if it is outdated, might be you are shortlisted, still you will not get a call. So make sure that your email and your mobile number is updated. So this is just a few tips and tricks that I thought to share with you guys. If you like this video and if you want more tips and tricks on finding a job on LinkedIn, make sure to write in a comment. I will definitely come back with more videos on LinkedIn tips and tricks. I hope this video will help you to find your dream job. Best of luck for your career search, and thanks for watching this video. My last Instagram account is no more, so if you want to follow me for any questions related to job hunting or control system related questions, you can easily find me on my new Instagram account, that is Noman Official Vlogs. That is, you might see on the screen itself and also into the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, consider subscribing, because this is actually a moral booster for us to make more videos related to job hunting and control system training. Big love to all. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.